Okay. So now you're having this kind of data sets. See, one thing I used to tell people is that standardization of a thing is one of the major things you should not joke with. I got a particular gig some times ago. It was really hard to find. So in that gig, I was told, I think the data was actually sent, and the major thing the person wants to just clarify is just, I think, an analysis on the particular stuff. So Google Sheets was sent to me, a data sets like this. And I used to tell people is that one of the things you need to understand is standardization. And standardization, it comes in different phases. For example, if someone should send you this kind of data set and they tell you to analyze, and if you are sending this data set for them back, they will know you don't know what you're doing. That's why standardization is. So we'll be doing it together. It's just a normal reasoning. So now let's go. You already have timestamp, you have gender. This is a question that says, what is your age group? Now, to take this to a standard format, what is your age group? It's not proper for you to have what is your age group. That is the question you asked. But now you want to make use of the responses to standardize a data set that will be, suitable for analysis. What is your age group is a question and is long. What can you change this to? You can
Age
change
group.
this to what?
Age group.
Good. Age group. So which means you get this off and you write age group. Oh, sorry, you still didn't give me access to edit. Kindly accept my accessibility to edit.
I use phone. That was why.
Oh yeah, accept. I've sent a request.
Okay.
Have you accepted?
Yeah. I saw the message, but I cannot see accept or decline.
Check downward. You will see someone is requesting. You should see something that shows.
I already, I already saw manage sharing.
Yeah, manage sharing. So click on manage sharing. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can. Okay, don't worry. I've
Oh,
downloaded it.
I've, I've accepted.
I've even downloaded it because if I should edit it, it will display at your hand. You understand? And I don't want you to because I will still want you to do your correction yourself. So it won't be good for me to edit that. So I've actually downloaded your work. So hold on for a minute. It's easier for me that way so that you won't be lazy. So now this is your work in Excel format now. This is your work. Can you see? Good. So now the first thing is normally to edit this. Let's just do the standardization, and after that we can now proceed with editing. So we have timestamp. This is still cool. Let's leave this because we might not make use of this. We have gender. This is still cool. Now, what is your age group? We change it to what?
Age group.
Age group. Good. We change it to age group. Now, the next one says, how long have you been a customer of our cake business? How long have you been a customer of our cake business? Now, let's think. What can we change this to that will still give us the same meaning? How long have you been a customer of our cake business? What do you feel we can change? Eh?
Customer duration.
Okay. Which other one? How long have you been a customer of our cake business?
Hmm.
Think. Is there any other one you can think of?
Okay.
Critical thinking is part of a skill that the data analysis must actually have. The data analyst must have. So, how long have you been a customer of our cake business? Customers duration. It can be in different phases.
Yes, like some.
Okay. So think. You must think something now.
Hmm. How long have you been a customer?
How long
Nothing
have
is
you been
coming.
a customer of our cake business?
Customer.
Okay, let's go with what you said. Customer duration. No problem. But customer duration, is that appropriate?
No.
It's not. So think. It's just like saying duration of being a customer with us. So now change duration of being a customer with us to another word, probably two words.
You said
Change duration of being a customer with us to like two words.
customer too.
What about patronage duration? Is it not the same thing you guys have been
Yeah,
talking about?
it's the same.
Good. Because what you're trying to drive there is that how long have they been patronizing you?
Yes,
Good. Is this not standardized?
yes.
Is the reason why you people are always saying is that is because okay, is because you guys are too lazy. Now we need to standardize these also. Less than 6 months, 1 to 3 years, 1 to 3 years, more than 3 years, 1 to 3 years. We can make this also short. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what can we do to do that? That is less than 3 months, less than 6 months can be what?
Like, can we change it like to like a number or just
Uh, the
because
reason
if we are
why
changing this less
the
than
reason why we'll be
three,
having
6 months?
issues is actually because of these 1 to 3 years. So we can just
Yes,
say we can standardize in a general format by saying, we already have years, years, and we're having 6 months, 6 months. We don't know the duration of
yes.
this.
So
So
we can say
which
1 to 6 months.
no less than 6 months. Okay, 1 to 6 months. But I think the best thing would be using this sign, less than sign.
Okay.
I believe you know that. Less than six. Yes or no? Then we can have
Yeah.
our months in this way, MNT. Or which other way can we shorten months?
I think. Mm.
It depends on you. You can come up with anything. You can write it full. You can say MTH or
But me,
MON.
mm,
Okay, I'm with you.
I feel months does not have like short form.
Yeah, so me, I'm just, we can just think. Or less than 6 months is still uh less than a year. Yes or no?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
But the reason why, yeah, it's still less than a year because in your options you have less than 6 months, you have 1 to 3 years, you have more than three. Okay,
Again.
yeah. So, but don't worry. Let's just standardize in normal, less than 6 months. Don't worry, so that we'll just shorten that. This one too will change to what?
Less than 6 months.
Less than 6 months. Also, 1 to 3 years. We can just say 1 to 3 years. Let's say it that way. But Y will be in capital. Exactly. Now this
Mm,
one also same thing. Now more than 3 years. Okay. More than 3 years will be what? That will be greater than 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah. 1 to 3 years will change the Y to capital to make it standardized. Less than
The
six
less than
months.
is in the greater than 3 years. Like one is in small letter.
Okay, thank you. Yes. So less than 6 months, we have this also. I think we are done with this a little bit. Let's move. The cake ordered meets my expectation in taste and flavor. What do you feel you can change this to standardize?
Taste and flavor.
How would you know what you're talking about? Expectation met is also cool.
Yes, like cake. Okay, expectation. What about like the taste expectation?
Normally cake is all about taste and flavor, Abi. Am I right?
Not only about the cake and flavor,
Sizes,
like
Abi.
the yes, the decoration, like how the design looks.
So let's say taste and flavor, Abi.
Expectation, yes.
Taste and flavor. Let's just say taste and flavor met. Because don't forget the responses. If you say expectation, you are still longing. If you say taste and flavor met, we have agree. So which means taste and flavor met, agree, strongly agree. You understand what I'm saying? It still goes.
Yes.
Next one, okay, this has been shortened. The next one, the cake designs and decorations are attractive. So what can this be?
Um,
I think. Or you still want me to think about for you?
um,
I think. Think.
the cake and design.
The what?
Um, so
The what?
cake design.
The
No,
cake. The cake design.
design. It's still going to be long.
But I got a solution though.
The design expectation.
What do you say?
No, I said design expectation.
Design expectation. Okay, what about decoration? Design expectation. No,
It's
this one
same. The
is cake.
decoration
Cake designs and decoration are attractive. Very easy. Designs and
very
decorations
easy.
are attractiveness. Strongly agree. Agree. Very simple.
But I feel it's still going to be long. I feel we are trying to shorten it so that it won't be
Oh yeah,
long.
which one do you not suggest? Which one are you not suggesting?
No, we can just say design attractiveness because the decoration and design are still
At
same
the
thing.
same. Okay, good. You are getting it now. Design attractiveness. This thing alone can get you a particular gigs. So that's why you need to understand. Now I see enough advertisements I see enough advertisements or promotions from the business.
Business promotion.
I see enough advertisements or promotions from the business. Business advert scene. Or you can just say business advertisement or promotion.
Yeah, I said business promotion the
We
first
should not
time.
put advertisement there. We should not put it there. Okay. Business.
No, me, I feel advertisement and promotion is like the same thing. So instead of just
I
putting the
think
two
what you're trying
together,
to derive here is that have they seen business
yes,
promotion?
enough promotion about the business.
Abby, that's a question.
Yes, like have they seen enough promotion? Like are they seeing enough promotion of the business?
So let's put it. What about this? Enough business promotion. Disagree,
Yeah.
disagree, strongly agree. Is that not okay?
Mm. Yeah, yeah, that one.
Good. You still think you still gonna do your own assignment yourself. Now, delivery or pickup is fast and reliable. What do you think?
You said I was still do it and you want me to talk. What will I write?
So let's say delivery reliability. Abby?
Oh.
Delivery reliability. Don't worry, you've done yours. Oh yeah. So delivery reliability. But I'll give you another assignment that will be so con that you will need to write it
Ah,
here. Now we have delivery reliability. Agree, strongly agree. I reduce my orders because of price. What question is this? What are you trying to get? I reduce my orders
like
because
does the price affect like you ordering? Like is
okay,
the price too high for your like
okay. So what do you now feel? What do you feel we can prove here? Price effectiveness. Abby,
reduce my order because of the price?
price
Mm,
effectiveness. Or what do you suggest?
I don't think it goes with the question.
Okay, it's your question, so you will know what best fits. I reduce
Yeah,
my
reduce
orders because
my
of
order
price.
because of price. Like something in line that maybe does price like influence someone's decision.
Okay, good. So we can say price influence. Abby?
Influence,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I think you are getting it now. Price influence. Okay. The next one is the customer service is friendly and helpful. Customer service
Customer service.
assistance. Or let's just say customer service. They should know they will assist normally. Am I right?
Yes, like customer service. Like
Good.
just customer service.
Okay. So now let's check. If I should highlight all and autofit column width now, you observe something. What happened? It has reduced a little bit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So now another way we can standardize. Let's say I want to standardize my timestamp. I will just highlight also. I come here to adjust to date, is either short date or long date, or I come to my where I change my uh, data type. I click on more number format. Then under your more number format, you will see your date. You will see the different dates you want. There's a one that says This one says 3, 4, 14. So which means the day is in the middle, the month is in front, while the year is last. So if I don't like this, I can decide to change. You will change your location. I think you can change it to UK. UK own to follow. Okay. If UK is not United Kingdom, you can see United Kingdom is 14/3 2012. So I can decide to make use of 14/03 2012 and press OK. You observe something, it has changed. So
Mhm.
that's another way to format your time stamp to the best, you know. So, but let's return it back because normally we are not making use of a timestamp. So, right now with this, we have a very good, at least we standardize our, what's it called, our work. Do you have any question on this?
Mm.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, so let's run another standardization on text. Don't worry, we'll be doing standardization on text. Let me look for a questionnaire again. Let me look for another questionnaire that we can make use of. That is on standardization, impact of social media responses. Let me see if I've not standardized this. Okay, I think this one has been standardized. Now you can see this particular questionnaire also, it has been standardized. You know, this one has social media handles. You can see it has positive impact, it has been standardized. Now let's make use of your colleague's own. I think I downloaded it yesterday also. Untitled. I think I downloaded it yesterday also. Untitled. Understanding low sales in a cake business. Okay, I think this one is yours. I can't find it. Okay, don't worry. I'm thinking which one. Uh, I think she sent it. Let me check. Okay, let's make use of our own. Let's make use of our own. So good. I think we have this. Okay, this is our own. Can you standardize this on your own?
Okay, let me try. Yeah,
Eh?
the first one, agric
Okay.
importance.
The first one is what?
Agric importance, agriculture importance.
Okay. Agriculture.
For like a yes or no question is not like it's not looking at
Yeah, is no, that's it. That's one mistake there. Agriculture important. Agriculture important. The next one. Do you believe that
techno
technology plays a crucial role in modern agriculture education?
technological.
Good. Technological role. I think you are getting it now. Technological role. Next one. Which technology do you think are most beneficial for agriculture education?
Technology type.
Is it just type?
Oh, technology system.
Technology system.
Way to
Hmm.
artificial intelligence. What about advanced technology?
Which technology do you think are most beneficial for agriculture education?
So beneficial technology. Abi?
Beneficial technologies. Technology. Okay. So next one, have you personally used any technology in our agricultural education? That's what? Very simple. Is what?
Personal preference.
No. Have you personally used any technology in your agricultural education? Technology usage.
Used.
Usage.
Mm.
You just take, critical thinking. Now, next one. Do you think integrating technology in agriculture education can lead to better job opportunities in the industry? Do you think integrating technology in agriculture education can lead to better job opportunities in the industry?
Job opportunity to pick up integrating technology. It cannot be job opportunity because it will not put
No,
the question out well.
technology integration. What about
But
that?
like the question is into like two sessions.
Okay, can lead to we're having the
Because
ones that
can
says
it lead to job opportunity?
opportunities in the industry. So what do you feel? Do you think integration technology in agriculture education can lead to better job opportunities in the industry?
This one is a tough one. Creating job opportunity. Can it be
What
maybe
about
like can advanced technology
what about
can
technology integration?
lead to
No, 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 we can't put lead to.
or
What?
can no
Okay,
can it be can
we can use can.
technology okay.
What about technology integration, technological integration opportunities?
I think so.
Yeah, so which means it opens access to the job opportunities and the integration it shows in agricultural education because the overall is talking about agriculture. Abby?
Yes, but my mind is
So
not going.
technological integration, what do we agree on?
Technological integration opportunity.
Opportunities. Okay. Now next one, what skills do you think are essential for students to succeed in technological integration? These questions are loaded.
Skills in technological integration.
Skills in,
Technological
now turn it
integration.
around.
Technology integrated skills.
Integration skills. Technological integration skill. Abby?
Yes,
Or essential technological integration skill.
education skill.
Do you see there all these things I'm doing is not probably I've done it or probably it's mine. It's you people's work and I'm the one thinking for you people. So that's how that's how you get jobs like that and you'll be thinking for them. So what do we agree on? Technological what?
Essential technological integration skill.
Should we put essential there or we just put technological integration skill?
Mm-hmm.
Skill. Okay, let's put essential, essential. Should we put it there?
I feel it doesn't
Necessary.
matter.
Okay, good. So now next one. Do you think there is a gender gap in there? Do you think there's a gender gap in access to technology in agricultural education?
Gender gap.
So what gender gap? Is it gender gap you want us to use?
I don't know if you can think of anything, but anything.
Uh,
Do you think there's a gender gap in
in
access?
access to technology and agriculture education.
Maybe gender gap in agriculture.
What about uh, technology, gender restrictions? Is that cool? Because it answers, is there like, are they being restricted
Is gender restricted in technology?
in accessing technology in agriculture education? Because the answer says yes and no.
I
Or
think
what do
that
you
one
suggest?
goes in. Yes, I think that one goes in.
Technology what?
Gender restriction.
Um, is that is that okay? Let's read again. Do you think there is a
Yeah,
gender gap?
technology with technology gender restriction in agriculture.
It's long
Eh, so I think that technology gender restriction is
because
better.
we
Or
already know
better
the heading is still agriculture.
yeah, or better still
Gender
gender gap.
restriction.
Or yes, or gender restriction.
Let's just put technology in front. Okay, we're almost done. Would you recommend technology integrated agriculture education to others? This one is simple.
Recommendation.
Eh?
Recommendation.
No, no, no. It can't just be recommendation. It should just be technology integrated recommendation because that's the major thing. Do you get it?
Yes.
Good. So I think with this also, let's format auto fit. With this, we are good to go. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what's not the issue there? Are you people are not saying, we could not get it? You know,
And
they
do
are
you know
saying,
that like the questions are long? So to
yeah, I
think
know.
of
I
what
mean,
to do.
you people compose the questions yourself, so you should know how to standardize your questions. You don't know that? You know, now this kind of thing now will give us issues even when analyzing. You know, here we have problem solving. Here we have problem solving, data analysis, coding, programming. Here we have critical thinking, problem solving, data analysis, collaboration. Now, to analyze this, though we are going to use Power Query here, we can also use normal Excel here. But to analyze it, that's when we get to Power Query, which means we'll be having a lot of null value. Do you know what I mean by that? Because we
Hmm.
will need to split it. Problem solving will go one way. Data analysis, which means this person that picked problem solving will be there. We'll also create another row for this person in data analysis. We'll also create another
And
row
I
for
even
this.
want to ask,
Okay,
I want to ask a question. When
what's
I
that?
did my
Mm-hmm.
when I did my form, it's supposed to be like for you to just click one, but it like it's multiple choice, and I don't know how to change it to just clicking one.
You
And
know, I
I feel
told you
this
we
is
have
what
different faces there. When you are clicking on one, like the first one, you know, I told you there's checkbox. Checkboxes is for multiple. What do you say?
like I clicked on checkbox, was
That is
it
the
clicking
issue. If you click on
multiple?
checkboxes means you want them to click more than one. But if it is
Oh,
multiple, if it is just choices, that one will just be one. But if you click on checkboxes, that means you are telling them to click more than one.
okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So that is the issue there.
So I
So
think
with
this is what happened with this
yeah,
one.
this is what happened here too. This is what happened here too. So like this one also the same thing also. So which means some people click drones, IoT, artificial intelligence. So with this now, we need to have this same person will be having drone, will be having IoT, will be having artificial intelligence. So it will increase the number of roles because that's the only way. We can't decide for this person that okay, it's drone. No, because this person is on one, two, three, four. So one, two, three. This person picked drones. This person picked IoT. This person picked, and you want to derive something out. So you still need to what? Though
Data
it
cleansing.
depends. Though it
Just
depends
clean.
on your objectives. If your objective is not basically on this part, probably your objective is on this part. So which means you just need to. You don't need this. You understand what I'm saying? So that those are one of the things you need to get. Those are one of the things you need to get. So I think with this, we've standardized this also. So we've standardized this also. So I won't save it. I won't save it so that she will repeat herself. Let me save it, don't worry. So that's another way to standardize our work. So which means if you see anything, any work now, you should be able to standardize yourself. You should be able to standardize yourself. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now you can see we've spent close for 5 minutes standardizing. That's one thing. This is just standardization. We've not even, if we proceed to run the cleaning of all these works now, do you know what will happen? So those are, if we proceed in running the cleaning now, let's say you're having, you guys are still having 9 rows. Let me open a particular data set that is, let me look for one. I think I have some data sets here that is, okay, this is my clean data. Let's check it. Now see this kind of data that has more than 100 rows. You
Mm.
can see this kind of data that
I
has more
think
than 100 rows. So if
uh,
I ask you guys to
we work.
standardize now, I think the only standardize we can be having here is probably United States of America. Okay, United States of America. This one is still cool. I think
It's
this one
already
is still cool.
standardized.
Yeah, or else if you want to change it
That's
to, you can still standardize this country. I believe you know that to a shortened format, probably France using their country code. Yes or no? Yeah, like Canada will turn to what? CAD. Germany will turn to what? GER. France will turn to FRA. You understand?
that's
So that is another way if you want to standardize this. So let's check again. Which other ways can we standardize? Yeah.
so work on this data.
Hmm?
I say we work on this data in the first class.
Yeah, in the discount, no complete data. You see, these ones are cleaning. We don't need, this one are not standardized because everything is what is still aligned. There's dollar. I didn't mean there's dollar here and there's no dollar here. You run standardization here. But we've not gotten to number standardization. That one, when we get there, that's when you run mathematical calculations. For example, let me just use this as an example against next class. Now, let's say we have 5 million like this, and we have another value here that is like 12. 5 million, we have 5 million, and we have values that are just hundreds, and we're having millions, like probably 2 to 3 millions, and we're having other datas that are just like less than 100. In that kind of format, you need to standardize. Why? Because you are having an outlier. Outlier means, who's this person just joining? Outlier means when you, she's just joining. Outlier means when when something is extreme. You understand what I'm saying? For example, we should be having, like I said the other time, we're having 12, 13, 14. We now have 5 million. 5 million is extreme. Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
there?
Yes.
5 million is extreme. So that 5 million on its own is an outlier. Is an outlier. So those are one of the things you understand. So one thing to now do here is standardizing. And how do we standardize in this kind of a thing? We'll turn it to, we create a space where we turn these cells to mean, then we'll run standard deviation on it. So standard deviation is only 0 to 1. So everything will fall under 0 and 1. And that's another way to standardize the work. But don't worry, we'll get there in the next class so that you understand how to standardize numbers. So you can see this kind of situations. Let's say you collected a particular jobs and they just told you should run analysis. It's not about you jumping into the analysis. It's about you checking. Am I to standardize? Is there anything that needs standardization here before you even proceed into claiming? Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So that's why it takes time. It takes time. Standardization takes time. It takes critical thinking. So, and I
But
believe
what
with
if
this,
the data?
okay, I'm with you.
What if the data like is plenty?
You do it. That's why you're a data analyst. You do it. But there are ways to make it so easy. But you can't. There are some ways. Let's say the what's it called? The issue is about rows. Normally, rows you can have issues on rows. There are ways to do it. Don't worry, we're going to get there. But if it is about columns, your columns can't be that lengthy. Your columns can be lengthy, but that columns alone cost us close to 45 minutes before we get it done. So, but if it is rows, we have easiest way to get that done. We're going to do that when we get to that topic. Is there any question?
No.
Good. So now let's say I want to standardize. Let me just standardize this country for you so that you can see. This country is much. And that question, you said you can't be stressing yourself. How do you do this? You press Control A. Can you see? After highlighting all,
Mm-hmm.
you come to, you can see
The
Format
format.
as Table. You click on Format as Table. You click any format you want. My table has headers. Just click on OK. Then after that, it will display this drop down for you. Can you see this drop down?
Yes.
So with this drop down, you can see everything you have. We have Canada, France, Germany. So I'll just pick it one by one. I'll start with, let me see USA. I'll start with United States of America. I'll click on OK. From here, I will just change this United States of America to USA. Then what will I do?
Okay.
You will just autofill everything.
Okay.
You can see I've changed this to what? To USA. After that, you come back again. You click on
Um.
another one. Let's say Canada. You click on Canada. Canada is what? Card. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Card. Same thing. I auto fill everything inside. This one also has been done. Next one, France. France. France is FRA using our abbreviation standardization. Then you auto fill for this also. Then after that, the last one is what? Germany. You
Um.
change your Germany to GER. GER is the abbreviation for Germany. Germany, GER. So when you're not done with everything, you come back to this is your featuring panel here. Then you click select all and press OK. Can you tell me what happened? You see everything has changed to a standard. Oh, we still have Mexico. You did not tell me.
I know.
So we have Mexico. You change Mexico to Mex.
MEX.
MEX. MEX. Then we autofill this also. Then here we have everything. So select all, you press OK. You say everything is standardized, yes or no?
Yes.
So that is, you see, it's not stressful. Within how many minutes? I'm done with it. The row standardization.
So what if you want to remove the table format?
If you want to,
Remove the table format.
then you now Control A under your design. Normally, you will see everything under your design back. You understand? But me, I used to advise people that it's better you run it inside another sheet. Do you understand? Because here, you come under your design, you click on added rows, you remove added rows, you remove banded rows. Can you see? But when I click on added rows back, you observe what happened here. So I'll just remove
Yes,
filter
no.
button. I'll just remove filter button. It is back. Can you see? Do you understand? That's one way.
Yes.
The second way is you highlight all, you come to your table style, you can see the space here where it says none. You click on none, everything will be back to normal. Is there any question?
No.
Okay. So do you understand that part?
Yes.
Okay, good. So which means if you get any gigs of such, I was teaching the quad 3. Let me just cite this for you people. I was teaching the quad 3 lately, and I told them
Two.
something. I said while we
Two.
were still on Excel, and we were just dealing with cleaning, data entry, and the likes. And one person out of them actually got a particular gigs that paid, that they paid in. I've forgotten the amount, but it was actually at least worthwhile at the process of training. So even with all these your minor skill, you can still get with this data entry alone, the data cleaning on its own, you can still get your money. So it depends on how you want to become expertise in what you do. Do you understand?
Yes.
So quick one before we call it a day. You observed here, we can, if I say for example, I don't even want to do the deeper standardization. If this is in 50 and this one is in one decimal place, don't you feel they need standardization? Those are one of the things you need to check. But everything is standardized here. They are all in two decimal places. So is there any question?
No.
It's all right. So that is all about standardization on text. In the next class, we'll continue on numbers.